Hi everyone and welcome back to Pokemon. Today I'm sharing with you 5 useful tips that helped me become a profitable Pokemon investor. But before we start the video, I wanted to let you know that our new giveaway, the Golden Mew from Celebrations, is up and running. Now, if you want to win this card, you just gotta leave a like, subscribe and let me know down below in the comments what's your ultimate Pokemon investing tip. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. So the first tip to become a profitable Pokemon investor is there are 2 key moments to buy sealed products. Buying sealed products is all about timing. For instance, buying at a launch or a pre-release can get you pretty good prices. Both online and physical stores aim to boost their sales numbers, so they often offer products at lower prices with narrow profit margins. Why do they do that? This strategy helps them secure their sales quickly, covering a part of their initial purchasing costs. Moreover, waiting about 6 to 12 months after release can also be very interesting. By this time, there may have been an additional print wave, resulting in even lower prices. Also by this time, the demand maybe has shifted to newer sets, causing prices to drop even further. Number 2, the waiting game after investing. While it's important to buy at the best price initially, some sets can stay unchanged in value for a long time before shooting up in price rapidly. And this happens because as supply of older set decreases and the demand remains strong, the price tends to go up. Also, news like a product getting out of stock on the Pokemon Center can let prices increase in value in a short period of time. A booster box can stay around $100 for a very long time before jumping up to $160, $170 per box. This means that even if you didn't see much growth for a very long time, holding on to certain sets can eventually lead to big returns. It's a great reminder why timing is very important when you are investing in the Pokemon scene. Number 3, stop buying everything. Here's the thing, when you're investing in a specific Pokemon set, it can be very tempting to buy every product that holds packs from this set. Maybe you found a good discount for a certain product, but trust me, this isn't always the best strategy. Instead, to maximize your future resale opportunities, try to stick with the classic products. For classic sets, try to stick with booster boxes. They're a timeless choice and tend to increase in value over time. And for the specialty sets, consider investing in elite trainer boxes. These are often popular with collectors and maintain a strong market demand. Number 4, how to know if a booster box is worth your money. It might seem obvious, but here's the deal. The price of the top 10 cards within a set directly impacts the value of your booster box. The more valuable and sought after the top 10 chase cards from a specific set are, the stronger the overall box price will be. I already talked about this a couple of times in my previous videos, but most of the times I use my calculations where I divide the total value of the top 10 chase cards from a specific set by the current value of a booster box. This tells us how many booster boxes we could buy at the moment for the same value as the top 10 chase cards combined. To give you an example, the average ratio of a Sun and Moon booster box is around 1, compared to a lot of Sword and Shield booster boxes where we found ratios between 2 and 6. This confirms again that holding on to your products on the long term will most of the time lead to better profits. So what does this mean for you as an investor or a collector? Well, when you're considering which sets to invest in, pay close attention to the prices of the top 10 chase cards. The higher their value, the better the potential performance of a booster box in the future. Of course, there are also other factors at play too, like print runs, box art, collectability, nostalgia, but the value of the top 10 chase cards is a key indicator of how well a set's booster box might do in the long run. And last but not least, number 5, try to think different. While everyone today is focused on the Sword and Shield era, trying to still find a Fusion Strike booster box below $200 because they worry they have missed the boat, there is a Scarlet and Violet set, Paldea Evolved, going for $95 for a booster box with a potential chance of pulling a $500 card in a PSA 10. Of course, there are some less interesting facts about the Scarlet and Violet era compared to the Sword and Shield era, but is this era actually so bad as everyone is saying right now? Maybe it could be interesting to take a look at the Scarlet and Violet era for potential investment opportunities right now. Maybe picking up a couple of Paldea Evolved booster boxes at $95 with the goal of reselling them in a couple of years at $300 could be more interesting than hoping your Fusion Strike booster box will be worth $800 in the same period of time. I'm not trying to criticize the Sword and Shield era because I think it's amazing, but as an investor it could be interesting to do a little bit more research and try to find the hidden gems in the Pokemon investing scene. And there you have my 5 tips to become a profitable Pokemon investor. Now, if you like this video and you want to win the Golden Mew from Celebrations, you just gotta leave a like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments what's your ultimate tip to become a profitable Pokemon investor. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.